name is Alex Goff, and welcome to Saxophone Basics. In today's lesson, I'll be discussing embouchure formation and initial tone production. A large part of many beginning students' problems with saxophone tone production come as a result of improper teaching or practicing of these basic techniques. So even as an advanced musician, it will be important to continue practicing many of these techniques to ensure success. The first topic we'll discuss today is embouchure formation. Embouchure is a French word that describes the formation of the mouth and oral cavity. We're starting with just our mouthpieces today, properly assembled with the reed and ligature in place. The first step in embouchure formation is to place the top teeth on the top of the mouthpiece at the point where the reed and mouthpiece meet. The easiest way to determine where the reed and mouthpiece meet is to hold the mouthpiece up to the light and see where the light stops shining between the reed and the mouthpiece. Place your thumb at this location, bring the mouthpiece to your mouth, and make sure your thumb and the top teeth line up vertically. Next, you'll draw the corners of your mouth and your bottom jaw around the mouthpiece like a drawstring bag. Be sure you're not biting on the mouthpiece, as this will later produce an undesirable tone. Once you've ensured that you are maintaining equal pressure around the mouthpiece, it's time to start talking about airstream. But before we go on to airstream, there's one thing I forgot to mention. Your bottom lip will be rolled under, or over rather, your bottom teeth to create a soft place for the mouthpiece to rest, so it's not resting directly on your teeth. Now on to airstream. The saxophone uses a warm airstream. To achieve this, hold your hand in front of your face. Now breathe on your hand like you're trying to fog up a mirror. Feel how warm the air is? Now try this again, and this time be very aware of the tightness in your throat and the openness of your oral cavity. Now we're ready to make sound. Form the embouchure like we talked about before. Now, blow warm air through the mouthpiece. If at first no sound comes out, try pulling the corners of your mouth in tighter around the mouthpiece and blowing faster air. The first sound you'll get will be very obnoxious, but that's just part of being a beginner on a musical instrument. Now here's where the difference between saxophones start. If you're playing a tenor saxophone like I am, the mouthpiece pitch you're aiming for is a G on the piano. Try playing a G on the piano and matching pitch with your mouthpiece. For alto players, this note should be an A. For soprano saxophone players, the mouthpiece pitch will be a C, and for baritone saxophone, the mouthpiece pitch is a D. Practice this daily by playing your mouthpiece pitch, then playing the appropriate note on the piano for your instrument and see if it matches. If it does, you're well on your way. In our next lesson, we'll discuss our first four notes: C, B, A, and G. Thanks again for watching.